10 facts about Nile River. 1. Longest river. The Nile River is recognized as the longest river in the world, stretching over 6,650 kilometers, 4,130 miles, in length. 2. Historical significance. Often referred to as the cradle of civilization, the Nile has played a pivotal role in the development of ancient civilizations, including the Egyptian, Nubian, and others along its banks. 3. Blue Nile and White Nile. The Nile is formed by two main tributaries, the Blue Nile, originating from Lake Tana in Ethiopia, and the White Nile, which starts at Lake Victoria in Uganda. They meet in Sudan before flowing northwards into Egypt and eventually into the Mediterranean Sea. 4. Annual floods. The Nile's annual flooding, historically predictable due to the summer rains in Ethiopia, provided fertile soil for agriculture along its banks, facilitating the development of agriculture-based societies in ancient Egypt. 5. Key to ancient Egypt. Ancient Egyptians depended on the Nile for various aspects of life, including agriculture, transportation, and religious beliefs. The river's annual flooding cycle was seen as a symbol of renewal and rebirth. 6. Modern importance. Today, the Nile remains crucial for the livelihoods of millions of people living in the 11 countries it traverses. It serves as a vital water source for irrigation, hydroelectric power generation, and transportation. 7. Aswan High Dam. The construction of the Aswan High Dam in Egypt in the 1960s has helped regulate the Nile's flow, control flooding, and provide hydroelectric power. However, it also led to environmental and social impacts, such as displacement of communities and changes in ecosystems. 8. Biodiversity hotspot. The Nile Basin supports a rich array of biodiversity, including numerous species of fish, birds, and mammals. However, habitat destruction, pollution, and overfishing pose significant threats to its ecosystems. 9. Tourism and recreation. The Nile River attracts millions of tourists each year who come to explore its historic sites, take river cruises, and enjoy activities like fishing and wildlife viewing. 10. Challenges and management. The Nile Basin countries face various challenges related to water management, including equitable distribution of water resources, pollution control, and climate change impacts. Cooperation among these nations is essential for sustainable management of the Nile's resources. 10